POV, you're the only girl that's been born in your family for the last 35 years. You love being a mom to 2 boys, and in January you told the internet,
I know I don't want to be pregnant this year, but I don't know if I'm done having babies.
But by March you find out for the third and last time you're going to be a mother again. Doing this process all over again is kind of terrifying because you're still desperately trying to heal your mind and body from last time. You can't help but notice that your For You page is looking a lot like this these days. You're a chronic planner and a little impatient, so you decide to take a sneak peek test at home. They claim they can tell as early as 6 weeks, and it was right for you last time. As you wait for your results, you tell yourself it's just a bit of fun, but your immediate ugly cry at the results and your husband's face tell you maybe you're a little more invested than you thought. You can't believe it's real, so you test again, and you promise yourself you're going to stay committed to your routine and goals. But after your workout, the world reminds you that we don't always get what we want. You contemplate if you're overreacting, but you go all the way down the rabbit hole and remind yourself to be grateful for the babies you have. But you love watching him be a father to your children, so you spend countless hours at the emergency room. And to your great relief, everything seems fine, but the excitement has turned into worry, and you've reset your expectations. You find yourself doing a lot of doom scrolling, even though you know you shouldn't. Reddit threads remind you shouldn't have got your hopes up, so you decide to try and forget that you're pregnant, because before you found out you decided to leave your dream home, to travel full-time in a trailer. You fought through first trimester exhaustion to pack up all your belongings into this U-Haul, because today is the day you leave. As you drive away from the house that brought you so much comfort, you can't help but wonder if you're making a huge mistake, but you're excited for the memories you're about to make. You drive 10 hours through the night, and you kill some time with your husband looking at baby girl names, but it's your turn to drive soon, so you try to catch some sleep, and you're gonna count this day among the bittersweet ones.